Hi guys! Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, I'll be covering notes of the piano, some octave numbers, and half steps and whole steps and where they are. So first, if you didn't know, in this scale, if you conclude the root twice, there are 8 notes in total. Take it with C major, for instance. We start with the C. Let's start C4, which is also known as middle C. This is what it looks like when it's notated on the staff. Okay, so on the keyboard it would be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So the general rule for major scales would be, for the interval distance, would be whole, whole, half, and then whole, 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 half, in terms of steps. On the piano, there are a series of half steps and whole steps. Your half steps typically would be, for instance, let's look at C to C sharp, right here, and then D to E flat or D sharp. But there are some abnormalities in here. For instance, take a look at E natural. E to F natural, that is a half step. But E natural to F sharp, that is a whole step. Another point where that applies is in your B to C. B natural to C natural is a half step, but B flat to C natural is a whole step, and as well as B to C sharp is also a whole step. If you find that you are still having trouble trying to remember the half and whole steps in a major scale, here's a fun mnemonic I'll use to learn. We went home when we went home. That personally helped me.